In this video, I will show you how you can fix the incorrect Wi-Fi password error on your iPad Air. Now, if you're trying to connect your iPad Air to your Wi-Fi network, now it keeps showing you this error. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad and press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, now just go back to the settings and try to connect your iPad to your Wi-Fi network. If the force restart did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on Wi-Fi. From here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your Wi-Fi network. As you can see, it is asking you to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, but instead of entering the Wi-Fi password, just grab your iPhone and make it close to your iPad. Now just make sure that your iPad and your iPhone are signed in with the same Apple ID, and if they are signed into with the same Apple ID, a notification will be shown on the screen of your iPhone asking you if you want to share the Wi-Fi password with your iPad. Just tap on Share or Connect to connect your iPad automatically to your Wi-Fi network. But if you don't have an iPhone, and let's say if you have an Android phone, so in that case, just tap on the X icon over here, and under the main settings page, just tap on Camera. From here, just enable the toggle for Scan QR codes. Now after you enable Scan QR codes, then just grab your Android phone and go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Wi-Fi, and from here, just tap on your Wi-Fi network. Just tap on Share, then enter your lock screen passcode. And after you do that, a QR code will be shown on the screen of your Android phone. Now just scan this QR code using the Camera app of your iPad. Now let's go to the home screen and just open the Camera app. Now scan this QR code using the Camera app. As you can see, this is the link of the Wi-Fi network. Just tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network and select Join. And after you do that, your iPad will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network. Just like that. But if this method did not work, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the network-related settings of your iPad. And once this process is completed, then just go to your home screen and go back to the Wi-Fi section and try to connect your iPad with your Wi-Fi network. And hopefully this time your issue will be fixed. But if you've done all that and if none of these methods work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the incorrect Wi-Fi password issue on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.